Project presentation on human following robot under the guidance of Assistant Professor Mr. Arun Kumar Ji, Department of ECE, and our beloved HOD Mr. Kiran Mai, Department of ECE.
This is the Arduino board which we are going to program. Here we have the hardware connections. This is plus 5 volts and ground which we are connecting to the Arduino pin power supplies. After that we are going to connect our servo to pin number 12, digital output, digital IO pin number 12. Here. Then we are going to connect ultrasonic sensor to the pin number 11 and 10. Trigger to the 10 and echo pin to the 11. After that we are going to connect motor 2 DC motor drive controller to pin number 8 and 9. Motor 1 to the pin number 6 and 7. And remaining 2 connections for IR sensors, left sensor for pin number 4, right sensor for pin number 5. And here is the voltage regulator which has range of from 12 volts to 42 volts, which converts the given input AC voltage to DC of 12 volt, constant 12 volts and 5 volts. Here DC motor drive which controls 2 DC motors at a time. It takes the binary combination of 2 variables 0 1 and 1 0 for running the motors. And here is ultrasonic sensor which detects the distance between any object. And this IR sensors which detects the presence of any object, and here we are using IR sensors for turning the robot, and IR ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance and follow the person.
The applications of our project are: it can be used for domestic purposes, they can be used in industries as automated equipment carriers, and it is also used to carry children in shopping malls and entertainment places.